Hello my friends and new friends, I am Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a sultry summer makeup look, and if you would like to see how I accomplished it, please stick around with me and keep watching. I already went ahead and prepped my face, so all we have to worry about right now are the eyes, but first I'd like to share with you guys what I used on my face. So we'll go through this real quick. I started with the Tarte Shape Tape, and I added this to, I applied this to any of my blemishes or my problem areas, and then I used my fingers to blend it out, and then I added my Kat Von D Blotting Powder. Yes, and then I use under my eyes, I like to use my Airspun. So blotting powder, Airspun, face is all set and ready to go. Then for contour, I use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. And I used this lighter shade right here. And then for blush, I used my Nars. I got this little duo pack and I used both of these blushes. This is Sand here and Orgasm right here. So I just kind of mixed those two together and added that for my blush. And then for my eyebrows, I use the Brow Wiz from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I also tapped into the Brow Powder Duo. Yes. And lastly, top it off with some brow gel. I'm gonna wait to add my highlight till I'm all done with my eyes, so we will get to that fun part a little later, but let's go ahead and jump up into the eyes. And today for this sultry summer makeup look, I'm gonna be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. I absolutely love this palette, so we are going to hop into this palette today. We're gonna be applying this orange soda to the crease. Lift it slightly, but bring it all the way down to your lash line. So crease a little bit higher, but bring it all the way down to your lash line. The blending brush that I'm starting with is from Sigma, and it is a tapered blending E40. Next shade we're going to be hopping into is Burnt Orange. This color, we're going to place it into the crease and keep it right about there. I'm not going to worry about bringing this color all the way on my lid. We're just going to focus this a little bit into the crease. We're going to continue to hold on to our taper blending brush, and I'm going to get some Rustic. We're going to place this color in the outer third. Nice and big in the outer third. Get it really deepened into the outer third right here. Kind of deepen, yes, deepen that up. I'm lifting it slightly from my crease. And I'm also trying to make a little bit of a V. So I'm kind of angling this because we are gonna kind of pull this end out and flick it. So it brings it out to more of a point. But we're gonna get more intense with this with the next color and the next brush. Really quick, I'm going to take my, I believe this is a Sigma E25. It is a blending brush. I'm going to pick up a little more of the orange soda and just kind of blend this out a little bit more so it's not such a harsh line here with the Rustic. Once we're done blending that out, I'm going to now pick up a smaller blending brush. It's another Sigma. It is a E36. We're going to tap this little guy into Cyprus Umber. Now we're going to focus this color a little bit more into the outer third and try not to lift it up too high. So you want to get a lot of depth in this outer third. So we're going to try to focus it right into the crease there a little bit and shape it like a little V. V it out, V it out. I'm gonna go back in with that same blending Sigma E25, I think, and I'm going to just blend out that Cyprus Umber a little bit. Let's go and add the two lid colors. The first one that I'm gonna pick up is Glistening. I'm gonna use my Sigma Large Shader E60 to pick up Glistening. So with this color, we're gonna take it to the inner corner some, right in the middle of the lid, and a little bit to the outer third. Don't go all the way. We cannot do this Sultry Summer makeup tutorial and not pick up the color Sultry in the Soft Glam palette. So that's the color that we're gonna pick up next. So let's dive into Sultry. To pick up the color Sultry, I'm going to be using a Sigma Short Shader E20. I'm gonna place Sultry on the outer third. I'm gonna try not to disturb too much of the Cyprus Umber or Rustic that we placed down. I'm gonna try to keep Sultry in the outer third, but not all the way into the crease of my eye or the outer V. Then I'm just gonna go in and blend a little bit more, and then we're gonna continue on to eyeliner. And I'm gonna use my Lorac Front of the Line Pro Liquid Eyeliner. And we're gonna get some fancy wings going on here today. Here we go. Just try to get the other side to match. This is the end result of the winged liner for today. I am gonna jump to the bottom of the lash line, or the bottom lash line, to add a couple colors. I'm gonna pick back up this nice tapered blending brush. For the bottom of the eye, we're actually gonna go back into all the colors that we did for the lid. So the first color that we're gonna pick up is Orange Soda. I'm gonna swipe this color all the way from the outer third to the inner corner. Yes. Back and forth, back and forth. We're gonna jump down to the burnt orange. I'm gonna place this burnt orange right over Orange Soda. I'm just trying to keep this a little bit tighter to my lash line. Then I'm gonna pick up the smaller blending brush, the E36, to continue with Rustic and Cyprus Umber. The Rustic is gonna go outer third to almost mid-lid. Not almost, to mid-lid. So outer third to mid-lid. And then I'm gonna tap into Cyprus Umber and just keep this to the outer third. So really close into the wing liner and the outer third. So I don't want to take this to mid lash line. Let's keep it right out to the side. I'm going to take a flat definer brush now. This one is from Luxie. It is 221. With this brush, we're going to pick up Noir, and we're going to place this on the outer third lash line. Dibble, dibble, dabble. And if you can, try to connect it into the wing some. Let's go ahead and do some fairy. So fairy, we're going to place into this inner corner and lift up a little bit. Then I'm gonna brush this to the inner third on the bottom lash line. Living the fairy life. Oh, is that magical? Maybe. I jumped off camera and I added some mascara. I used Monsieur Big from Lancome. And then I also applied some false eyelashes from Kiss, and they are called Ritzy. I'm going to pick up another Sigma brush. It is a shader inner corner E46. I'm going to apply this highlighter like everywhere. So we're gonna go right up to the brow bone. And I do like to use a finger and just slightly blend it out a little bit. All right, we got enough action going on with the shadow with, what was it? Fairy, yes. So we got Fairy in the other corner, so we don't have to add any Amrezy, but we are gonna add some Amrezy to the bridge of my nose, which was a tip of my nose. We're even gonna get this puppy on our cheekbones. My favorite part to apply, highlighter. Yes! Cupid's bow. Yep. I love it. Ooh, don't forget your bottom lash mascara. I like to pick up my Maybelline. This is Lash Discovery. And I love this one because look how tiny that is. Oh my God, it's so small. I love it. So just give a nice good coat for the bottom lashes. And then we'll be moving on to lip color. Yes. For this sultry summer makeup look on my lips today, I'm going to be using a Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick, and this one is in Neon Coral. It's time to add some setting spray, and I'm going to be using my Kat Von D Lock-It Makeup Setting Mist. And my friends, that is it for my sultry summer makeup tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you everyone for sticking around and checking out my sultry summer makeup look. I hope that this tutorial inspires you for some of your up and coming summer makeup looks. And every Monday I'm going to be posting a new video. So if you're a makeup lover like myself or a curl friend, please be sure to come back every Monday and check out a new video. And once again, thank you so much for hanging out with me and watching my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you back next Monday. Take care. Bye. Monsieur Big, Monsieur. I don't know if I'm saying it right. All right. Almost done. Let's see. Oh, highlighter. Let's do it. Woo!
Kiss your man.
You sure you want me to? You look good.
Makes my eyes pop. And don't forget, YouTube world, fan it out.
See you later. Bye, honey. See y'all. Love you. I almost dropped my Amrezy highlighter. Oh my God. That's all, folks.